Close your eyes. What's that?
Father.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Won't you give me a kiss? You're welcome. Do you like it?
Yeah. Open it.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
Please open the head. This or like this or not like this. Mom.
There are letters there. There are alphabets and numbers. So you should follow.
It's alphabet.
Yeah, what's written in on the head? What's written? It's number.
2.
Is it number 2? Read it again.
1.
1. And then you must find the number. What number must you find?
2.
2. You can look for the letter B. Yeah, because if you turn this, you will find what? The letter? Letter what?
T.
What letter is that? This one.
No.
What letter is written there?
A.
A. Then you must find letter. What's next? What's that? Is that B?
Is it this?
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.